Hi, this is John with WATI, and this is one of the best products, lotions that I've found in this past few months. This is the 3-in-1 cocoa butter that just works great on my skin. I have a dry skin, so most of the times the lotions that I would use, they won't do too much on me. So whenever I'm using this lotion, that is at the same time this cocoa butter lotion that is thick, that is gonna go and moisturize, deeply moisturize my skin. It would always give me like a glowing skin that it just feels really good. It has a light scent, but at the same time, you're feeling like this is just cocoa butter, directly straight cocoa butter. It feels great on your body. It lets your skin smooth, and it has a great option that you can use this. Some comes out, and it's gonna give you this nice tan that, let me tell you something, it looks good. So now, while you're in summer, you want to look better tan, and at the same time, you want to be well covered and moisturized. This cocoa butter 3-in-1 does a great job. So this was John with WATI, and that was my point of view.